One, I booked my first set of flights with Copa Airlines, that's COPA, Copa Airlines, and I booked a round trip from Jamaica, Montego Bay Airport to Panama City. Now that flight was $560, but you can get it cheaper. I just need a check bag. Okay, I'm a check bag girly. Give me a check bag any day of the week. Okay, I like to overpack. It's the negative thing about me, but I like to overpack. So I had a check bag. However, if you want to travel without a check bag, that's fine. No, you would pay like 400 and some dollars if you go without a check bag and you just have a carry-on bags, right? You can carry your little pullman, carry-on suitcase, and a backpack. That's fine. Or a handbag and a backpack, or a handbag and a pullman. That's fine. So you get two pieces of carry-on, right? No, but I need a check bag, so that's why my flight went up to $560. So I did a